my trades online just for fun, yeah. Future slowly know it's trending #1, yeah. Coming flowing up from Chicago to New York, it's happening. What's happening? I feel my heart drop, can't make it stop. Wi-Fi connected, we're taking over, God. Everybody's scalping, ooh, pop. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Animate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping, boom. My phone won't stop, notifications crazy. People worldwide watching me trade from Miami streets to the LA beaches. We're going viral, baby. Don't try to stop me when we're all competing. Hashtag trending, future stories streaming. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Animate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. Long trade, short trade, this ain't no pump and dump. Tag all of your friends, let's take it worldwide. Futures flow connects us all, breaking down the falls, generated profit. So when you know you were my face, we don't need no ICT, no FVG. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Animate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. Todo el mundo scalping, baby. Animate que se Kylie. Everybody's scalping, todo el mundo scalping. Let's start, let's go.
This live stream is for entertainment information purposes only. Do not copy our trades. We're just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream. We trade off screen. We trade after the stream. So you do not get to see the complete picture. We're not licensed professionals. We're not providing any investment advice. We do not make any claims of profitability. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we're not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Also, please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Please read and understand the rest of CFTC Rule 4.41, and let's get to the charts. Well, no matter how hard I try to get here early, what time is it, 9:10? There is always something, so much to do in the morning. Exercise, shower, shave, make your coffee, clean the litter, feed the cat, answer texts, try to get a post in. Never works out. I wake up earlier, still doesn't work out. Let me move the time, it's in the wrong place. I think it should be something like this. Let's see. Is it high enough? Still up in the corner. Perfect. I moved it yesterday. Hello? Good morning. Oh, good morning, Coach Fred. I was saying good morning to my son, actually. Same thing to you. Good morning. You know what just happened to me? 1 minute before I came on, I took a short based on this chart over here, the one I was showing you yesterday. Took the short right there. Crazy candle. I don't even know what happened. Someone opened his mouth again. Trump, Zelensky, Biden, Obama, who opened their mouth at 9:08. You know what? It wasn't so bad actually in the end. I think I took a one micro, and I think I lost. I don't know. I shorted right at the top of this candle, but I think I covered. It came down aggressively. So I think I covered it for only a 10-point loss. At one point it was a 40-point loss. It came down as fast as it went up. Thinking almost to take that short again also, but nah. No, I want to get to the little morning analysis here. See if I have an idea of what direction we should be trading in. Oh, I could see it already. And the word is short. This is my 15-minute chart. Gray box is the Asian session. Oh, is it really? Oh, you know what? Yeah, okay, I'll lower the, I didn't know the music was loud. I didn't do a sound test, I always forget. Bring it down to there, but Windows plays with my volume. Thanks for letting me know. Let me see what my mic setting is at. I tell you, I set it to 81, and then Windows lowers it. Let's see. Drum roll, please. Ah, still at 81. Okay, perfect. They didn't play with that. My mic, I'll bring it up just a little bit. Let me do a sound test also. Very good. I hear my voice. All good. What was I saying? Yeah, gray box, Asian session. Blue box, London session. I look to see, first off, if we have taken out both sides of the Asian session. In this case, we haven't. So that's the first thing that tells me, well, I'm going to have a bearish bias today. We're under VWAP. VWAP is the dashed blue line. We're under midnight open. We're under the previous day's close. Well, there can be a gap fill trade, which would bring us over London open and over the Asian session. So that's one scenario that we could be looking at. This is at 270 support or resistance. In this case, we're going to think of it as resistance. It's near the previous day's high, which is the green dash line. And this orange or red dash line brown is previous day's low. So that's what I look at when I'm looking at the 15-minute chart. And right now I see us below a lot of these levels. We're below previous day's high, below the 270 level, below the previous day's close, below the Asian session low, and near the London lows. Although it can boomerang back up, we don't know. So scenario one is to go back up, maybe up to VWAP, maybe even close the gap. Scenario two is to get below previous day's low. Let's take a look on the daily. What we're doing, the daily, we're under the 50, the 100, and the 200 quite significantly. What is it that they say? It's a bear market if we trade, if the 50 crosses the 100, or if the 50 crosses the 200, the 100 crosses the 200. They say it's an official bear market. I'm going to have to add more data over here because we're not trading higher anymore. Let's put a full year of data. See that 270 level I was talking about? Let me change my cursor. At 270 level, we bounced off multiple times, going back all the way to last year in the summer. We hit the 270 level, bounced, went higher. Hit the 270, bounced, went higher. Hit the 270, bounced, went higher. Can't see it so much over here, but on the 15 and the 30 minute, it was really acting as both support and resistance. Now, on the daily, if I were to look at any levels, I don't like to use tops as support, just bottoms. I like to see where price bounced or where price got rejected and sent off in the opposite direction. That really is, I would say, at the almost at the 19,000 level. So we got a long way to go. Gold's hanging up there, probably slightly down today. Looks like oil taking a breather. Looks like it'll make another leg down, maybe down to the 65 area. Eventually, these are the daily charts. I color them gray so I don't get confused. Well, that's it. That's it in a nutshell, eh? How far away are we from VWAP? We're almost 100 points away, more than 100 points away from VWAP. Okay, well, we got some range in the market, definitely. The volatility is quite a bit above normal. I got 14 points average range on the 1 minute candles. Let's put that chart up. I mean, they're both of them, but let's just get to the regular 1 minute chart. 14 points average range on the 1 minute candles. What's the volume? Wow, look at the volume. 600,000 contracts traded already. A normal day at this time, 350,000. A quiet day would be 200,000. An active day would be 400, 500,000. 600,000. There's a lot of volume in the markets. Let me lock that. And that. Okay, perfect. Everything is locked. Locked and loaded. Ready to go. Now I gotta decide which counts I want to trade. And what size I want to trade it at. I'm in the penalty box, if you remember. So my size is going to be low today. Low. $90 risk on the 25K accounts, 180 on the 50K accounts. On this account, I'm already up 230. I didn't get to finish coding my Nifty 50. I wanted to get to that. I wanted to come in early actually, and I wanted to do some coding. I got two 150K accounts I got to deal with also. Gets confusing when you're not copy trading. And I don't want to copy trade because every time I copy trade, I get my behind handed to me. 920 gold. That just is to let me know the gold initial balance has been formed. What's Crude doing? Let me set up my strategies. You know what? I'm gonna run Nifty 50 anyways. Reason being is I'm gonna put it on Sim 101. I just want to see how it's trading the longs. Synchronize 901. Okay, Sim 101. Perfect. Yeah, so this background line indicates that go short after the first retrace. Actually, the way I coded it is I needed 2 up bars before I would take it, so should have gone short over here. Anyways, opening drive trader, get that one going. We'll put that one on Sim 102. Is this the right one? Cancel. Open drive. Edit. Sim 102. Yep, 101, 102. Okay, fair value gap. And the inside bars. Let's go take a look at Crude. See if we had any Crude trades. Oh, we did. And I cannot tell on this chart until I go to market replay and see if it actually did well or didn't do well. Here we got an inside bar, but which one? You know what? I think they both lost. If we went long, I don't think we hit 1-to-1. Yeah, we didn't hit 1-to-1. We would have gotten stopped out. And if we went short, oh no, it's true. I got to reverse it. If this trade went short, it didn't go 1-to-1, got stopped out. Okay, so first trade in crude was a loser. Why do I have 2 crude dailies? Well, it's not a daily, it's a weekly. I don't need a crude weekly. A little bit overkill. Okay, first trade we're going to track is the opening drive. Where are you from, Coach Fred? Are you from the US? Canada? I have a guy that's in here from Finland. They're 5 hours ahead. Canada! I'm from Canada. I'm from Quebec. Not Montreal, but Laval. I don't know if you know. It's the city right beside Montreal. If you're from Quebec, you know Laval. But if you're from Alberta, somewhere in the middle, you might not be aware of Laval. A fellow Canadian. Bonjour! I swear in French sometimes. I think I can get away with it. I don't think the YouTube AI catches it. Oh, it's true. You know what? I wanted to see if I got a copyright something for what I showed yesterday on my stream. Let me go see. Oh no, it doesn't show over here. See if I have to take down that video. Content. Live. Restrictions. Nope. Not yet. No restrictions. I guess I'm allowed to show someone else's YouTube page for a few seconds. Anyways, for now it says no restrictions. Maybe they didn't flag it yet. Okay, that's funny. Okay. 19,467. Yeah. Let me fix this. That's the 1 minute chart. That could have been a decent entry. Dave?
Wait, there was a game after phase?
Dave?
Yeah.
You didn't turn on the heat, did you? Quite hot.
Yeah.
Keep your door closed, you'll be good. 19,467. Yeah, we were. I don't know if you were in the room with Chip when I was looking at the daily. There is, forget the Aikanashi candles. There's a long way to go before there's a level of support. I think the first one would be here, 359. I'm not sure how you get. Maybe this one here. No, that's not 467. But either way, it's hundreds of points. And on the 15-minute, from what I look at, we're below everything. Previous day, high and close, midnight open, Asian session low. We're near the London lows, we're below VWAP. So I have two scenarios. Either we trade back up. I mean, yeah, either we go up or we go down. I sound like a genius, right? But basically, that's it. Some version of that. We trade up, try to close the gap. We trade up to VWAP, we get rejected. We trade down to the previous day's low, head back up. Or, my favorite one, we get below the previous day's low, and we trade, and price holds below it, and then we trade aggressively lower. And the volatility is pretty decent. Volume is high too at 624, so even though there's no news, we think we're going to have some movement today. I gave back a little bit on my PA account, took a one lot at the most inopportune time, short, right, I think it was right here on this candle. I went short. 10 seconds later, pooh! I was down 40 points in a second. But it came down really quickly. It didn't come down slowly and close here. It came down almost to my entry. But I got out, I think, at a 10-point loss. Actually, I can go look and see what I lost on that. Execution. Yeah, I sold at 19,896. So right there, and I covered at 06. Perfect, 10 points. I got lucky. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 PAs to trade plus top step. Who's the priority? Markets are open. Let me just take a two lot, didn't get filled. Just a little teaser here. See if we can get down to 52. Right up at the open, then the big dump. I'm not sure. The previous day low is pretty close. It's not too far away. Might want to be a target. Okay, I'm getting wicked. Didn't get my fills and I chased. Okay, took some back quickly. Making new US session lows. Let's take a look and see where the previous day's low is. It is at 19,766. Finally got a proper fill. I'm short at 28. 4 points better. Gonna watch it close. Okay, let's see if I can get 14 points at this. Let's see if we can get down to 910. I'm gonna mark it out though if I we're almost there. We're almost at 10. Good enough. 14. I'll take one off. And now I'll try to get 06. I'm short. I'm on the buy market. Didn't get to 10 bid yet. Let's go. There we go. There's 10 bid. 8. Come on. 5. Buy market. We're gone. Okay, didn't really do great, but someone's in a trade. Sim 102 is in a trade. I think that is the opening drive or Nifty 50. I'm not sure. We're going to have to check. Sim 102. Sim 102, or is it opening drive? No, it's opening drive. That's short of 10 lot. Trying to get into another short here. Succeeded. Cover a little bit at 7 points. Next is at 10 points, 04. Let's see if I can get 94 on this. I will mark it out if it closes there. I got to mark it out. I don't think I did anything on that one. Hey, good morning, James. Markets are fast and furious. Try again. Let's see if I can catch a good move. If I get a short. While we watch the opening drive, it's good. I'm going in the direction of the opening drive. Oop. That was an accidental click. Thank you very much. Threw away money there. Great having an oversensitive mouse. Opening drive and a little bit of red right now. Now I have a little bit of a mix-up because opening drive is short, Renkos are long, and 50-50 is short. And if I look at the 15-minute chart, well, there's nothing indicating to go long here, so I'm going to take it easy on the longs with the Renkos. Go down to a 2-lot if I get triggered into a trade. Maybe the market dumps here a little bit more and reverses the Renkos back to short, which is very close to happening, and it happened. So there, good. Now we're all aligned. I don't have the first fair value get marked up. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I caught that message a little too late. Okay, so we're short again. Now we're aligned with everything. I can go back up to a 3 lot. I like the fact that I'm trading in the direction of the opening drive plate. Let's see if we can get down to there we go. Much better entry. 10, 21. Wow, 11 points better. I love it. I love it. Risk is low on this trade. Take a small piece off. For a small profit, reduce the risk. Ah, man, that's a waste. With such a good entry. And it took me out of the trade. What can you do? Gotta get out, gotta get out. There's still an opportunity to go short, though, potentially. Might get triggered in at around 24. 924. Wow, I wanted to take it easy this morning. That was the plan. Sit back, relax, take less trades. Remember I talked about that yesterday? Show you what I need. I need this to get over the bands. That'll calm me down. But until that happens, no, that one didn't work out. Markets are very fast right now. 33 points, average range. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. 33 points, average range. On the 1 minute candles. Trade's not working out. And Sim 101 and Sim 102 is in a trade right now. I got to reduce my risk because I'm going to get my daily stop on this if it doesn't plow through the 52. Let's go, let's go. So I forgot who's where and who's why, but Sim 101 and Sim 102 is in a trade. I think Sim 102 is short. Yeah, anyways, can't track them both. All those wicks. Yeah, we're going to have to wait for the wicks to go away. I think that's about 11 o'clock. Okay, I'm curious to know which one is it in which. So opening drive is 102. Nifty 50 is 101. So 101 is 101 took a winner. I'm more interested in watching 101, so I'm going to keep it up there. Let's rip to 20,017. Okay, I need this one to work. Go, get over. Bad clicking. Move away, you stupid mouse. Let's get up to 80 on the offer. Almost 78, that was close. Trying again. Okay, recovered some. That was a lot of trades that I took. Gonna slow it down. Gonna wait for better entries. Opening drive. In the meantime, I can put it up. See what opening drive's doing. Opening drive shorted over here on the cross of the lower line. We'll get stopped out if we can get a close above the upper line. Give me a better fill. There we go. That's a better fill. 72. Let me get one out. Let's break the US session highs. Come on now. Let's get up to 90 on the offer. There we go. And let's front run a little bit to 19,900. Save Friday's low for CPI. Okay. I agree. We'll save it. Let's take a look at the 5-minute charts in the meantime. ES looks a little bit stronger. Not much, but a little bit. And why I say that, because if we look at this swing high, we've swept it. Here's the same swing high in the NQ, and we have not swept it. NQ is close to the London lows. The ES is not, so can the ES pull NQ up higher if it continues to go and trade up to VWAP? Come down, there you come down a little bit. No, don't close the bar. Call in the bin. I have to take out just a little bit on that because I couldn't get my entry the way I wanted it. It's too bad. Kind of consolidating there at the top, eh? At least on my view. The Rankos. Yeah, taking a bit of a dump. One of my computers is overheating. MNQ, under London lows. This is where I get FOMO and I want to jump in, but you know what? 50-50 is going to be looking for a long trade here. And opening drive didn't get stopped out yet. Opening drive is short. Coming right up to its entry. So interesting, but unfortunately they're in opposite directions, which is a little bit troublesome. What happened? Didn't I go short? Oh, now my order appears? Oh, I gotta get out of this. This was a screw-up order. Don't screw me. At least take me out for a scratch. Get down to 24. There we go. At least it's kind of like a scratch trade. Sim 102 opening drives once again doing good. I don't know what the delay was on that order. Oh, you guys didn't see it. We're over there. Let me bring you back up onto the 1 minute charts. Yeah, I'm not going to trade. I'm going to trade my top step when volatility gets under 20 on the 1 minute candles. Nice short though. Markets are fast. We just went from 810 to 840 in what, 4 seconds? I was going to check my mic settings, but I'm going to assume they're working good. Okay, waiting for a short. 31. Market trades down to 31. I'll be trying to enter short. Getting close. 35 bid, 33 bid, 46 bid. Wow. Spread is 50 and 75 cents. I'm not seeing a point though. But I'm not seeing a quarter point either. Well, I think I'm looking for a long right now, believe it or not. If I can get a decent price and a trigger. It almost triggered. Now it did trigger. Let's see if I got a better price. 59, 56. But it stopped me out. Too bad. It's whoa. I did my bid. I don't know what the hell just happened there. But I was short, so it worked out for me, right? Oh, what the fuck happened? What the fuck happened? Well, that was a move. Brought me up to 295 on my PA. Not complaining. Good job. Past the... Here's my cough. Getting close to the lows. I'm looking at the 5-minute chart. Keep an eye on it. We're getting close to those lows. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I didn't expect that. I really didn't. Somehow Nifty 50 isn't taking its loss. I'm not sure why, so I'll just close the trade there. It's long. Sell the bid. No. Okay, well, still need to check it. So there we go. We took out previous day's low. Not the greatest place to take a trade, right? I just realized it a little late. That's gonna hurt me. Came back a lot there. I realized too late I was shorting on the previous day's low. Jesus. Let's get over 17. 17, I want to see 17 bid. Excuse me for the cough. 17 bid. Looks like it wants to. This is my play. Let's get over 17. Come on. You're gonna do that to me? I give up if this doesn't work. My day's done. I'll trade on demo. Let's get back up to 17. Let me lower maybe the risk on this. Come on, push it up. Push it up. Push it up. Get off a small piece. Doesn't want to go. Needs to go faster. It can go, and I think it's going to spurt if it does go. Okay, working again at that account. Sim 102. Let's take a look at the opening drive. That's the opening drive. Opening drive is surviving. Got short over here on this bar, on this candle right there. Let me mark it. Right there on this candle, it shorted at 19,827. We didn't get a close above the upper line, so we're still short. I'm still working my 50K P8. It's been an up and down yo-yo ride. Nothing terribly good, nothing terribly bad. Got it set for a 3 lot, which is kind of on the conservative side. I was going to try and get a 95. Oof, I missed it by a couple of points. A short in at 95. Heading lower, making new US session lows. You can easily see that on the 5-minute. US session is the gray box, but ES isn't. Let's see if I can make something happen with a little bit of a long here and get 10 points. My finger's on the close button. I'll take that little bit. But I do have to confess that was an impulsive trade. I'm supposed to be only going short now. Show me 20 points on this. Fast. Give me a fast 20 points. Let's get down to 727. Got down to 40. Next stop, 33 bid. Hopefully. Oop, looks like it's puffer time. 33 bid, 33 bid, 33 bid, 37, 35, 34, 36, 34, 32. Covered. There we go. With that trade, I am going to go take a quick break and use my puffer, because I'm starting to get my cough back. So I'll be back quite quickly. Just give me a minute or two. Okay, that took a little bit longer than it should have because my puffer wasn't where it should have been. I guess my wife cleaned up. And I missed an entry by a few seconds. I think I made a mistake, and I'll tell you what my mistake was as I'm watching this trade. I was up 200 and 300 at one point on on this Apex account. I should have taken it and switched accounts, gone over to the next account. Volatility isn't really coming down yet. We're still at 31 points. 20 minutes, my cough should be gone. Let's get above 33. No. Let's get below 19. Okay, brought me into green again. That would have been nice. That would have been nice. 827 on opening drive, short at 827, still short, so it's up 120 points so far. Opening drive is trading on Sim 102. It's trading on a Sim account. It's an automated strategy that I'm forward testing. It had a very hard week last week. Yep. I don't see taking bullish trades here as long as we're trading under Friday's low. As a minimum, we got to get two consecutive closes on the 1 minute candles above that for me to entertain taking longs. Okay, I have to take a little bit of a stand here. Let's go. Look at the little piece off. Come on, dump. Give me a dump one time. We used to go for 40 points. I'm asking for 15. 15. 15. There's your 15. Thank you. Not too much to ask. No, we want another 15. But it moves so fast. I think I'll take half off on the what was I saying? Yeah, on the opening drive play, if we can get up 150 points on that, even though it's on Sim, I'm still gonna remove 5 lot off that. If I'm gonna want to entertain a long, I gotta get a full body above the bands, meaning the opening and the close. I'm a little bit off today, but I'm taking my losses quickly, so that's good. Got hurt a couple of times. Does look like we're trying to climb higher though. ES bouncing off the previous day's low. But NQ is trading below it. I think right now it's time to sit back and let the market tell me what it wants to do. Because now we're trading sideways, and this is where I get hurt. Let's see if I can pull a few dollars out to the long side. 40, 50. I got the 3-lot. 3-lot is good. Let's go. Let's see some speed. And then move up. What am I long? I'm long at 23. Okay, get up to 27 offer. 27 offer. Wrong way. Oh, come on. How many full losses can I catch? Well, now it's going to run without me. Let's go back up. A little bit of a dangerous spot here. Not crazy about it. I'd rather reset. If I can see 40 on the offer. 38. No. 39, 40. That's it. I'll look for a better entry. Better setup. Didn't work out too well for me there. Wasn't comfortable in it. Just going to bail on it. This cough is really hanging around for a long time. Yeah, we're not trading above the, on the NQ, we're not trading above the previous day's low. That's bearish. I don't want to have a bias. I just want to stick to what I got here with my setups. Friday hurt me with my bias and my opinion, so not doing that anymore. I'm going to just trade what the charts show me. Because you know what? There's always market turns. Coming down to lows again. Let's see if opening drive can get up 150 points. That would be very interesting. I'd love to see it 200 points. I'd like to see 300 points. We had that a while ago, a couple days ago. Am I choosing the wrong place again to go short? Hanging on. Didn't take me out yet, but it looks like it's trying to. So I'm going to cut it again for a small loss. I'm going to go a little bit to the long side. Let's go above 05. 05. I need to see 05. Wrong way. I'm going to get clipped. At one point, that's my clip, I think. Yeah. No, not at all. Okay, I'm on stream. Well, not sure how much room I got left on this account, so I'll take a 3 lot when I get a short trigger. And hopefully it'll run for me right away and give me breathing room again on this account. 40 points would be great right about now. Let's get another 15 points from here. Let's get down to 62 bid. 72, 69, 73 bid, 76, 74, 72. Let me take one piece off. 63, take another piece off. 57, 54, take another piece off. That's good, that's good, that's good. Breathe life back into the account. Just in time, because we're back up to 85 bid. Opening drive, 827. 827. What's 150 points? That's 677, eh? I think we saw that already. Let me put in a buy limit. At 77. I'm sure we're going to hit it. 74. There we go. We hit it. 5 out. Okay, let's see another dump. I got 50. I'll take 25 of that. I resuscitated this account. What time is it? It's 10:23 and we're still at 33 points. Wow. Average range on the 1 minute candles. The volume, I bet it's over a million, which would be insane. Yeah, 1 million. 1,100,000 almost. Money is coming out of the markets. What does the 30-minute look like? That's what the 30-minute looks like. That's a heck of a chart, huh? Well, it's not the world's best trend line, but nonetheless, gives you an idea. Yeah, I was really hoping. I'm long. Yeah, we're not above the previous day's low, but the Rankos are telling me maybe take a long. Not maybe, they're telling me go long. The only thing is, can I rate it an A trade? Not really, because of where we are. I don't know if you saw the 30-minute chart going back to February 24th. That's an ugly chart. Every time I try to make a stance, eh? Got to get over 19. 5. I got the wrong size. Why am I on 5? Okay. It's going to stop me out and then put me back into the trade. Looks like that's what's going to happen. A bounce off the last FPG will be nice. Yeah, I was thinking to continue the short here. Hmm. Buyers look like they want to come back in. I'm tempted to go early, but I get in early, but I won't because it doesn't save you anything. And I don't have a stop for that. Gets you into trouble. But I got my finger on the buy button. Now let's see a nice run up. Another full loss. That's it. That account 400 reached its limit. PDLL. Can't say I didn't try. Well, the next account I'm going to trade is my 150K account. Let's try and make some money in there. Maybe we can get it to a payout in a week or so. That's an initial balance alert. That's going to form soon. So are we going to try and break the initial balance to the downside? A lot of people are looking at that initial balance low and thinking about the breakout trade. I have that feeling. Let me see the size that I can take. Nothing, you don't film me on any of it. Ten is good. Okay, got some money in my 150K account. At least in that, that's good. I might bam back over 152. I think on my on the opening drive play, I'm going to put in a limit order for the 5 at 200 points. So that's 827. I'll put it in at 627. Buy limit 5, 620. 620 is good. Let's see if we get there. On the opening drive play. Okay, let's get back down there. Let's get back down there. Push lower, get below 70. Yeah, not crazy about it. Ended up losing money on that one. But we got below 70, 68. Wow, 63 bid now. $30 points away from opening drive being taken out. We'll check in on it again later. Yeah, it really doesn't look like a good idea to be trying longs today. There's not a lot of follow through, not a lot of continuation on the longs. Still 30 points, average range on the 1 minute candles. That's still very high. I mean, anything above 20 is high. I don't know, I haven't mentioned it in a long time, but under 7, it's like close your charts. Under 10, very low. 15, 17, 20, that's good. Push higher, let's go. Most people are running for the exits. But 30 points range on the 1 minute candles, that's high. Okay, well, ES, let's change charts. ES on the 5 minute chart. Oh, you know what? Let's get opening drive is like about to get filled on its limit order for its last 5. It goes back up. We were so close. Shit, damn, we were close. What's the data box? What was the low? Data box disappeared. It's there. Just got to find it. It's hiding. Anybody see it? Oh, there we are. I think it was right in my face. Oh my God, 21.75. And I said it was really supposed to be at 27. Let's put it at 29 now. Still didn't take it out. There we go. It's out. But I want to see it push lower. Come on, push lower. Push lower. Get under 28. Get under 28. Another big loss. Not respecting my stop. That's not good. Well, now I'm committed. If I get an entry signal, which I just did, I'm going to add, and that's my stance over here. Hopefully this time it'll pay off. It looks good a little bit. No, you don't give me more than that. 368, that's terrible. That's terrible. Well, at least I got out just in time. But it might put me back in. Okay, we're not watching the open and drive anymore. It's not needed. But I will keep it here. We will check in a little bit on this 50-50 trade. So I'm glad opening drive cleaned up because it took a hard week last week. What's today's Monday? Yeah. I think it lost about $1,000 every day last week. So it's recovered 75% of that. Excellent. Very good, very good. And we're doing an initial balance retest trade right here. Actually, I think the retest trade happened on this candle. Let me, I think the IB low retest happened on this candle and paid out. You got your 10 points. So do we trade higher now? Looks like it's trying. Come on, push. I'll take that. 716. I kind of like would get blah, blah, blah. I would kind of like to make 1,000 on this account. But you know what I always say, trading the numbers is not a good idea. Don't put numbers like that in your head. That's all it's going to do is screw me up. So maybe I should even switch accounts. Run with the 700. Right? Wouldn't be a bad idea. Start trading a little more conservatively. This one's close to a payout. Let me go to 31. This one's close to a payout. It's a 25K account at 26,100. So let's say another 900 and I'll take 1,000 out. What's the size that I want to trade? You know what? I think I'm going to be happy with my 700. It's so far showing kind of a tough day on me. A lot of back and forth. So I'm going to do just one lot on this 26K, on this 25K account. One lots are good enough. If I can get up 50, 60 bucks, then I'll push it with a 2 and a 3, try to get up to 150, 200, and that'll be good for the day. Remember, $200 a day just on one account is 50 grand a year, eh? Of course, that's assuming you're going to win every day. You're never going to have a losing day, which is not going to happen, but it's just to let you know and to remind me that, you know, it's significant. It's not an insignificant amount, 200 in an account. Well, came back down to the initial balance. Initial balance low. ES is below the initial balance low. So that's, in my opinion, given that it's such a bearish day, it's going to push. NQ to go lower. But no opinions, no biases. Okay, I'm going to take a break. Anybody new here, hit the subscribe and the like button. It'd be appreciated. I'm going to go see my son in the other room, see how his trading is going, and refresh my coffee. So give me about 2.5 minutes. I'll be back. Hey, I think I'm going to leave my top step trading for the afternoon. I'm curious about something. Give me a second here. You're going to kind of see a weird chart. It's not going to display fully, but I want to do a full screen thing here, and I want to see. Okay, 50-50 would have had two losers. I just want to see for myself. You know what? Let me put it up for you guys also. If my coding was completely done properly. You need a full bar above the band, and then a retrace and a continuation for a long. So you would have gone long here, you would have got stopped out. But then I think we have a full bar below, so we would have been short here. That would have been a winner. And this would have been a loser. And then this would have been a winner. So it would have been probably an even day on this system here. But my coding needs fixing. So hopefully I'll get on that today. What am I trading now? So what were my two mistakes? I think my two mistakes was when I was up 300 on my 50 kPa, I should have stopped. Instead, now it hit my PDLL. My hole is getting a little deep on that one, actually. I only have 1,000 left. And yeah, and the other mistake was smaller. That was me saying that I'm going to try and get the other PA up to 1,000. As soon as I caught myself saying that, I changed accounts. Because when I trade the numbers like that, I start to make poor decisions. I'm not taking the trades anymore. I'm inventing trades so that I can get it up to 1,000. So I took that out of my mind and immediately switched accounts. I think I won the Publishers Clearinghouse contest. Hello? I'm a winner? I'm 5 million? No way. Okay. Write the check out to my name. I'll cash it as soon as I get it. Different phones if you guys didn't catch on to that. So given that we're still watching this, the only time I'd go long again, even consider it in this falling market, is first we got to get a full body on the opposite side of the channel. So above the channel. Let's switch back to the 1 minute charts, or let's take a look at the 5 minute. See if we see anything. We'll sneak in the Asian session there a little bit. That's that gray box on the left side, and they pretty much look the same. So it kind of played out the way I analyzed in the morning. As I said, we were below everything. We were below the previous day's high, the previous day's close. We were below VWAP, below the midnight open. So I was thinking either we're going to do a gap fill, or I thought we were going to go for the previous day's low and then go up, or my preference was, as I said, to go below the previous day's low and stay below it. Price would hold below it. Let's get another 7 points out of this. Come on. Boom, by bid. There we go. Really? That was weird. 14 points only? Yeah, I guess that's a 14-point trade. Well, this account is a 26K account. 26. I keep saying 26K accounts. 25K account. It's at 26. I'm going to trade it carefully. 1 lots, 2 lots. I can take my hand off the mouse because I'm not going to have anything for a little bit now. Everything is short. Anybody trying to catch the bottom today is just getting hurt. I mean, just look at the 1 minute chart since the US Open. It's just down, down, and down. Wow, I'm down on the day. That's no good. Would have been much happier if I was up on the day. Let me see if I can get the whole thing up while I'm waiting for the next short. I forgot what the thing is even called. Gotta find it. Oh, it's with my... I know where it is. Yeah, there it is. Unlock. There we go. Oops. It's not what I meant to do. Let's see. What do I got to do to get them all showing? I think I got to bring it up here. And then drag this down. There you go. Now you see all the accounts. It's not that I'm hiding them. I just don't want to cover up so much screen space. And I just wish that there was a way that the loser accounts could be right under the winner accounts without those zeros also being displayed, because it takes up screen space. Anyways, I don't know if that's well centered, but it's good enough. There you can see my day. Sim 102, opening drive play. Forward testing and automated strategy. Sim 101 is another automated strategy that's not exiting its trades properly, so I shut it down. And the PA Apex 621, that's a 150K account. That was an error. That was an oversight. The other one down 400. That one was up 300. I should have stopped. The one up 700 is a 150K account, and the one up 30 is a 25K account. And that's the summary of the day so far. 11 o'clock. I got to make a call. Give me a second. Well, like they say on the A-team, I love it when a plan comes together. Come on, give me another 7 points. Let's get down to 16 bid. 16 bid. I want to see 16 bid. I got my finger on the close button. 16 bid. Sell it, sell it, sell it. Oh well, I tried. That one would have went. It would have made my day on that account. Would have brought me to 100. When it hits 487 or 67. Hello, only futures trading. Plan comes together. Not for me today. No, not for me really either. Yeah, we also had the daylight savings issue. Let's call it an issue. But no, if you add up my PA accounts, I'm down for the day. But I'm glad to have that one, the 150K up $716. Now I'm working on a 25K account. Just trying to get up 100 on that. Trading 1 lots, 2 lots. I made a stand there for a trade, but didn't work out, unfortunately. Oh, you didn't? Okay, no, I thought you did. Canada. Yeah, we moved it forward. Yeah, forward. So you get 1 hour less sleep. Anyways, you adjust quickly. Takes 1 day. No biggie. Well, I think I will risk 50 on the next trade. A little bit less. I'm going to do a 1, then I'm going to add. Oh, okay. Rise lost your payout? That's not encouraging. It was with Tradeify, I think, right? That you were getting your payout? Okay, come on. Give me another 7 points. Let's get down to 51 bid. That's 51 bid. Fail me. 51 bid. Fail me. 50, 58. Come on, that's too much to give up. Sacre muy. Gonna add and assume it's not gonna. Gotta cover. What I'm down. That one should have worked out. Yeah, Tradeify, and I moved money to Finland, but it got lost. Wow. That's upsetting. I wouldn't be happy. Well, Rise should have to track it. Anyways, I can promise you it didn't get put in my bank account. Wow, it's just amazing. It's amazing what the markets can do. That's all I can say. Come on, let's get up to 82 bid. $82 bid, and I'll just hold it. 82 bid. There we go. There's your 82 bid. Now I want to see 96 bid. 96 bid, and I'll get out. 90, 92. Good enough. Don't screw me again. 26? How is that only worth 26? Shit. Wow, that's discouraging, man. You work so hard for your payouts, you know, and then that happens. Yeah, exactly. Well, I mean, maybe not. Even though it didn't get rejected, you can show that the account it was supposed to get put into didn't have a deposit. Which is kind of like saying it got rejected. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to go long here. I have to open up my chart. Hopefully it'll go while I'm opening up my chart. Nope, I'm not supposed to be long. By a hair. Let's see if I could trade my way out of this error. Yeah, okay. I traded my way out of the error. Do you know what is the best? I have payout waiting to submit. Yeah. I guess they have to go to Rise again, huh? There's no alternative? Nope, you can't use PayPal or... Wow, just Rise. Crypto? That's not an option. I know there was one firm that was working with crypto. I don't remember who that was. Come on, give me 57 bid. 57 bid and 50 bid. 68, 69, 70. You're going the wrong way. At the cover, just not letting me get ahead on this account. If it would have gone down, I would have had my like $75. Volatility's coming down a little bit. I didn't hear what chips say that the candles are looking more stable based on the wicks. Volatility is coming down. Volume's at 1.3 million. Took a quick scalp here. Sim 102. Wait a minute. How the hell can Sim 102 be in a trade? Isn't Sim 102? That's funny. It's not supposed to take... Oh, maybe I closed it and reopened it by accident. So, because it's only supposed to take one trade. Okay, let's close it. It's not supposed to be in a trade. It's long. Let's buy the bid. Get out. Wait, no, it's long. I have to sell the ask. Sorry. See the mistakes I made? It is now officially shut down. And while I was doing that, I'm supposed to be long at 00 even. Let's get the 7 bid. I'll add a 1 lot at 93 bid. 90 is good, even better. And of course it stops out. Not letting me get ahead, even with this volatility, eh? Markets aren't being nice. I didn't cover everything. I'm kind of making a mistake here. That means I'm going to have to be in the penalty box again after this trade. Let's get back up to 00. Well, I gotta say, it looks like it wants to try. Definitely does want to try. The way price action is displaying on the charts. There we go. 35. I'm not only one. Look, from Trustpilot, they've closed a lot of people's accounts because they just can. Wow. So Properms just pay with Rise and you can't have an account with them. Shit, damn. I wonder if that's a problem with only with non-North American accounts. Hey, good morning, Joker. Or if also people in the US and Canada are having that same problem. That's a big problem. How are the trades going? Could be better. Yeah, no, all bounces failed today. It's that's why I have that 1 minute chart up. That 1 minute chart isn't a bullish chart. If you're giving a seminar, you're not telling people this is where you go long. I'm trading small now. I'm trading a 25K PA. And just trying to get it up to about $100. But the markets aren't being kind to me. I'm just bouncing back and forth. No kidding. That's odd. About the main office. Every time I try and make a play, it's always at the wrong time. Okay, I want to see 600 bid. 600 on the bid. Let's go. Let's get up there. Come on, you can hold above the bands. You can hold above the bands. Let's see 600 bid. There we go. We're so close, so close, so close. Let's go. 600 bid. Really? Wow, no trades. That's impressive. I don't think my son either had a trade today. There we go, 600 bid. If I can get a better price now. There's my better price. Hopefully this is the one now. Let's see, 607 bid minimum. 46.50 plus I was ahead a little bit. Let's go. One institution sell at 97 every time. Well, maybe not this time. It's lunch. They gotta go eat. They gotta go eat. Let's get 607 bid, then 614. I'll sell at 614. 614 bid. Come on, 11 points. 26 points average range on the 1 minute candles. I'm only asking for half an ATR. 614, 611, 12. Ah, so close. Fuck off. Back down to 1. $11.12, I'm taking it. Give it to me. There we go. 73, that's good. 75, that's all I wanted. 75 a day in this account, I'll get to a payout quickly. It's already, in my opinion, it's almost there. Okay, switch accounts. Now what account do I trade? What do I have left? I have a 25,000K account. I did that one. I got one more account left over here, plus I have my topstep express funded, but I'm going to touch that only in the afternoon. So really, this is another shitty 25K account? I don't even know why I go for those. Should be minimum 50. 33. I don't like the 25K accounts. Can't articulate why I don't like them, but I know I don't like them. May the markets be nice to me and give me a winner right away. Good for micros. Yeah. Okay, it's long at 14. I'm long at 11. Go to 21. 14, 13, 14 offer. I'm in a chop here. And again, I didn't take my stop. See, that's a bad habit of mine. Gets to my stop, and I let it go. And then I hope. Not good at all. Now the market has me pinned. 93. My stop was at 00. So I'm already 8 points below my stop, and I didn't take one. Take one. There we go. I lost 35 on that. I got lucky. I don't know. I can see the markets maybe potentially taking a run for the initial balance low. It's always a possibility, right? Even though the markets haven't had follow through. This time I'm going to fight for a much better price. So it's 07. There we go. 02, 5 points better. Oh my God, right away it goes against me. Okay. Keep swinging the bat. I guess it's 3 strikes and you're out. That's what it's going to be today. Works every time. Let's close the music. Maybe I'll be able to concentrate better. Here's the music. Goodbye. Well, I could show you that this chart here, Nifty 50. Wait, why is it playing? Oh, I got to shut it on all of my screens. That's so stupid. You shut it once, it should be shut everywhere. Had a long on this candle over here. We had a full body close. Shit. That was a chase also. This is going to cost me. Let me just be glad to get out with a smaller loss. Go a little bit above my entry. You know what? F off. I'm going to hang on. Time to eat. Okay. Have a good supper. Futures trading. We're battling in this area. I'm going to hang on. My timing always sucks, though, when I do this. It's always the time that one side loses the battle and I'm on the wrong side. We'll see. I don't have a big PDLL in this. I think it's only $200, so, and I'm close. What am I holding? I'm holding a 2-lot. I'm still in the trade. What? Oh, there we go. 222 took me out. Okay, that's my day. A little bit of good news, mostly bad news. Like I said, every time I make a stand, somehow I'm on the wrong side. Shouldn't do that. I could have had another swing at the bat. Okay, guys, I have a meeting in the afternoon with the accountant, so I got to prepare, put some papers together. I'm going to call it a morning. Thanks for showing up. If anybody's new, hit the subscribe, hit the like. And I think I'm going to try and streaming again at 8 o'clock tonight, 8 p.m. after Pine closes down. So if all works out, I can see you guys at 8 p.m. Sounds good. Thanks a lot for showing up. And see you next time. Having lots of fun. Take care, Wood Chip.